see other people with the luggage, so I guess they are going to the airport, but I don't see our station, guys. It's called the Kapi. I don't know where it is. I'm checking third time, but I don't find it. Guys, I'm lost. I think I will get off and ask to someone that works here in the tram, because I don't know, I don't see the station, but on ChatGPT it says that it should be here, so yeah. Guys, let's get off. Oh, sorry. Let's get off and ask someone, because I really don't understand how this works now. Let me check better on Google or ChatGPT actually. Guys, apparently it was on the other side. Ah, Aksaray is here. And then we have to change Aksaray Marmaray, okay? To get, okay. Probably it has another name, that one that we're looking for, and the right name now is Aksaray. I don't know. Amici miei, okay, so we're gonna change the plans now. We're gonna take this tram. We're gonna go to Sirkeci. From Sirkeci we're gonna take the Marmaray, which is the train, and we're gonna cross to the Asian side. From there we're gonna take the metro all the way to the airport. More or less how we were supposed to do, how we did, at midnight, or the first day that we came, because we lost the ferry, so that's what we're gonna do. Alright, let's wait now. Should come anytime, because this one on my back came. Oh boy, I thought I was getting lost, you know, because I asked to the gentleman, he told me to go to Aksaray. Yes, there is the Marmaray, which is the train apparently. So guys, when you see Marmaray, it's the train, if I understood good. And the train crosses from the European side to the Asian side and vice versa. So it's very convenient if you want to save some money instead of taking taxis or whatever. I saw on Google there are also some options with the bus, but honestly I don't prefer the bus. I prefer the tram or the metro, etc. So I think it's more convenient, it's cheaper, it's faster, and it's more reliable, because it does not rely on the traffic. Look how nice is this zone, guys. So calm, so relaxing. Gulhane Archaeology Museum. Look, it's written here. That's why there are these walls, I think, the old ones. Ah, it's coming, Kabatash. Oh my god, look at this, it's full. And I guess not so popular, this tram station, so not so many people will get off, I guess. Let's go. Only one station anyway, so we can wait here. Slightly emptier this time, thank god. So yeah, we got some space to breathe actually. Thank you. Okay guys. Ah, this way, thank you. Good guys. Let's go. Let's go to the Marmaray, to the Gara it's called, I think here. Like in French, like in Romanian, Istanbulkart. It's that one, the Marmaray, as you see. And we are close to the sea there, guys, so it's a fantastic station, this one. Very central. I will check now on ChatGPT which station we have to take, and I think also we can pay with the Istanbulkart here as well. Istanbulkart, Marmaray. Let's ask the gentleman. Sorry. Ayrilik, Cesmesi. Down, thank you. The reason that the station is close to the sea is because it's gonna cross to the Asian side. That is why I think they put it close to the sea. It's easier, it's faster, it's better. All right. Oh boy, here we are. I remember this station, I think, or was it this station? I don't remember if it was this one or not. Marmaray Sirkeci Stazione. But this one of the stations was like deep down, guys. You remember, it was super steep. We took like 3 or 4 elevators. I think there was a difference of altitude of like 150 meters. So yeah, really deep down they put the metro. I think it's not this one anyway. Girish's entrance, as you see here. Look, Girish is entrance. That's another word we learned. Istanbulkart, I guess, if we have money enough. Yeah, we have. Let's go. Look at that cut. Wow, the agility they have. Very nice. I don't have spare change to give, but very nice. So super talented. Let's go this way. Wow, that gentleman was super talented. I feel bad I didn't have some spare change. Oh boy, this is long. I told you there is this saying, I think it's Spanish, when you don't know what to do, look at others and copy. And that sounds something like this. I don't remember the exact words, but the sense is this. And it's true. I mean, I'm sure if I follow those people with luggage, I will get to our airport, because I think this airport is the only one in the Asian side, if I'm not mistaken. The other one is in the European side. The other one is the main one, I think, actually is bigger. I think it's called Atatürk Airport or something. Super modern this metro, guys. Metro, train station, call it as you want. Super clean, super tidy, super nice, and super organized. Fantastic city, Istanbul. I think now is time to see where we have to go. All right or left? Ayrilik Cesmesi, I think it's this one, guys. Ayrilik Cesmesi. How I get there? By the way, here we can take the Vapur. Vapur is the ferry, I think, guys. Let's ask someone. Brother, Ayrilik Cesmesi? Ayrilik Cesmesi, this one? You don't know? Thank you. Guys, let's see if it's this one. I think yes, to be honest. But let's ask someone to be sure. Okay, there is a gentleman there. Ayrilik Cesmesi. This one?
No.
Ah.
Oh.
That one. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. Guys, it's on the other side. Good. I didn't know. I couldn't understand this one. It looked like we were in the right one. I couldn't understand the colors, so we are now here. And it's only one stop, and then from there we're gonna go direct to the airport with the metro. Ayrilik Cesmesi, here? Ayrilik? Yeah? Thank you. Good, confirmed from other two locals. Fantastic. Wow, look at this mosaic, guys. How nice is this? Love it. Waiting the train here, guys, Marmaray. Look how nice is this mosaic. I'm mesmerized, guys. Look at the clouds, blue. I think it's coming, actually. I hear something. Let's see, let's get closer actually to show you also the mosaic better. Wow. I think he's announcing it. Yeah, here, there, guys. Look at that, it's coming. Here we are. Amazing. Let's board now. Guess we can board from here. Okay. What happened? It needs to go in front, more in front, guys. Yeah, there is a lot of space there. Looks kinda crowded, guys. Yeah, I guess are the tourists who will go to the airport. Here we are. Should be only one station anyway. Guys, I think there are two stations, not one. The next one is Üsküdar and the other one is Ayrilik Cesmesi. So two. Google said only one. Weird. I think they opened recently the other station. I don't know. Look at this mosaic, guys, how nice it is. Fantastic. Shows all Istanbul, I think. Guys, we are basically under the Bosphorus, under the sea here now. With only two stations, we're gonna cross to the Asian side. I'm actually thinking it's 11:23 now a.m. I don't know if we have time to go out and find some Simit and some other chai. I think the metro from Ayrilik Cesmesi until to the airport, to Sabiha Airport, I think it's called, will take roughly 2 hours. So I don't know if we can, if we have time. I guess we can risk it. What do you think about it? We can do it. Oh. You heard? M4, I think it's that one that we have to take. Anyway, with that said, although there are only two stations, it will take some time. I think it took between the station that we departed and the Üsküdar station, the previous station, 10 minutes more or less, and I think we'll take the same between Üsküdar and Ayrilik Cesmesi, our station where we have to get off. So just take in consideration this, that will take sometimes the train to go from one station to another. Alright guys, ready to get off. The station is approaching, is here as you can see, and we are in the Asian side, but I don't see here any shop, to be honest. Looks like it's a residential area. I don't know, let's get off and let's see. Boy, there is a shopping center here, but yeah, I don't know if we should get out, because it doesn't look really promising here, to be honest. Alright guys, let's go down to metro then, because I told you it's like a shopping center here. I don't think we can, we're gonna find some places to eat Simit or something. I will ask Google. I will ask on Google, I will check on Google and see. Okay, here we are. Now I see it, guys. Here we are. This is our airport. Sabiha Gokcen. Look, well, it's pretty close. We might stop in one of these to get some Simit. What do you think? But I don't understand. I paid there, I have to pay again here, I guess. Yeah, we get. Good. Let's go. I forgot that you pay like 25 or 27 here if you pay with the Istanbulkart instead of the Apple Pay. I think with the Apple Pay I told you pay 40, you pay more anyway. If I understood good, I might be mistaken, I have to check that. But it's always good to have the Istanbulkart, and it's also nice to have as a memory, I guess. Amici miei, it's a long walk actually to the metro station I see now. And you will see here, look straight. We're gonna arrive to the metro. I told you I'm gonna check on Google while actually before boarding. I'm gonna check where we can stop to grab a quick Simit and a chai as a last goodbye. But we're gonna come soon anyway to Istanbul. We're gonna continue to explore this amazing city. Then airport on the right. Vamos. Let's see now where to stand. Oh, am I the only one with the luggage here? Weird. Okay, I see another one with the luggage, another one, so I'm not the only one, guys. Very, very good. Look at this station here. Super nice. Let's get in, guys. Let's sit somewhere here. Oof, super tired already, super heavy this bag. Amici miei, I asked ChatGPT and I looked on Google where to get some Simit and some chai. They told me to stop in Kadikoy, so we need to get off and go back 2 stations and get off at Kadikoy. I think we can do it. We have some time, so we're gonna do that. Let's get off now at the next station and go back again. Let's go. I hope to catch the first train there to not waste time. Anyway, the station is just in front, guys. Vamos, let's run. It's there. Let's go. Opa. Vamos.